Okay, it is time to roll on out of here. Got camp cleaned up, getting the van warmed up. A cool morning this morning. Got down to freezing. It's a very nice spot. I was able to do some exploring. Took a good walk out this way. And these Palo Verde trees get quite a bit thicker out there. Pretty neat. But it is time to roll on. I can't really disclose my immediate travel plans here till I'm actually through them. But I will be taking you along for the ride, so let's continue this adventure. Okay, let's do this. Find our way out of here. Squeeze me. A little soft patch of sand right here. It is a beautiful morning, clear blue skies. Well, I can't remember the last time I've departed a camp this early in the morning. I usually don't have much of a time frame. But I'm on a little secret mission, so we'll tell you more about that a little later. But I've got to cover some miles in a pretty short amount of time. We're gonna keep on trucking. Okay, we're gonna get back on the interstate here using Interstate 10 West. Be driving for a good few hours, so we're just gonna sit back and enjoy the ride. Away we go. It's starting to get greener as we climb up here, seeing a lot more junipers. Okay, we are rolling through Payson, Arizona. Having deja vu, I feel like I was just here. Well, I guess I was, before the holidays. I knew I'd be having to backtrack here again. There's more to the story. Hopefully I can share that in the near future. So I am going to be needing to stop and gas up here. Got everything else I need as far as supplies. So we'll gas up and then head for the hills. Hopefully we can find a camp. Well, it is not often that I pass anyone on a highway. Here we are, Sitgreaves National Forest. We are going to be making a turn up here. This road may be closed. Let's see. Yeah, this road is closed. See. It says road closed. We have to do a little research here. This area is closed. They've got the gate locked. So that's a no-go. I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to camp. Kind of counting on that. It's only 1 p.m., so I've got some time to do some further exploring. Bummer. I was really hoping to camp there. I know of some other areas up the road, but I'm not sure if those roads will be closed as well. Last time I was up here, this road said, the sign said it was open year-round, so. All right, we're gonna see how this road looks here. I'm gonna probably have to get out and walk some of this here. Looks like there's been somebody in here recently. Let's see what's up here. All right. I feel like I shouldn't go too much farther here. This is probably not the best place to be. Well, you know what? I think I'm just gonna go ahead and camp here. Let's get out, take a look around. All right, well, I think I'm just gonna stay here overnight. It is nice here, although I'm next to these high power lines here. You can actually hear them buzzing. So I think I'm gonna walk up the road a little bit here and check it out. Just a little ways I came in, you could tell that quite a few people have driven up to at least right here, but going on any further, it doesn't look like a whole lot of vehicles have gone down there. So I'm gonna put some boots on and take a walk down there, see what it looks like. But I don't think I'll be driving down there. I just don't wanna risk getting stuck. Not a lot of traffic up here this time of year. So yeah, I think I'll put a coat on and some boots and go do a little exploring. Well, I'm definitely not gonna drive any further down this road. It's pretty tore up in spots. Can tell somebody was romping around in here. It's so close to these power lines too. See why everyone likes to camp down on the rim. Some pretty deep snow here. Just post holed there, pretty deep. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna head back to the van and get some lunch mixed up. I'm gonna do a little research and see if I can go up a little further, find somewhere to camp, but if not, I think I'm just gonna stay parked right where I am overnight. Okay, there has been a change of plans. I'm going with 100% gut instinct on this. I was gonna stay here overnight, but I've been looking at the weather more in depth, and there's supposed to be a hard freeze tonight. It's gonna get down to about 12 degrees here and really windy. And there was just a couple stretches of this road coming in here that if it freezes and doesn't unfreeze, I don't think I'll be able to pass. I am gonna follow that gut instinct and go ahead and get out of here. Unfortunately, it's almost 5 p.m., so it's gonna be getting dark soon, so I may just end up having to pull over in a parking lot or something somewhere, but I'm gonna get moving. No, there seems to be a lot less snow out this way. I'm gonna check out this forest road. It's locked. Nope. I see a gate. There we go. Whoa, road looks way better. Nice. Just a lot more traffic and a lot less snow. Camping limit 14 days. Cool. Let's see if I can find a pull-off that's not too far down here so I don't run into the same problem. Well, this will be fine getting out. There's no snow forecast, it's just really cold. I think I'm gonna use this little pull-off right here. Perfect. Oh, I feel way better about this. Nice. Yeah. It's nothing special, but it will work. I was literally just watching my Google Maps navigation and saw this forest road coming up and just slowed down in enough time to check it, and turns out there's a sign that says camping, so I'm all good. Some big concrete bricks there. I could probably make some levelers out of those. See what I can do. Okay, this relocation mission was a success. I found a place to park here off this forest road. I'm actually glad I pulled off this road. This looks like an area I'd like to explore. It is beautiful in here. We're up at about 7,500 feet, and it is freezing cold. It's about 35 degrees Fahrenheit right now. It's supposed to drop down to about 15 degrees Fahrenheit tonight. So I'm gonna get inside the van, get the heater fired up. Got the fuel tank filled up on the heater to get through the next few cold nights. I'm really digging this. I'd really like to do some more exploring in this area. And I also borrowed these concrete blocks here to use as levelers. I do have some leveling planks, but those blocks were just sitting over here, so I grabbed those to use as levelers. I'll pick up a little bit of trash here. Someone's Welch's. There he goes. Coyote. Sees me. Buddy, see ya. All right, it's time to get some dinner going. I was going through my food storage bin and realized I had some stuff that I didn't know I really even had. I've got these instant refried beans. I remember buying them, so I think I'm gonna give them a try. It's just pinto beans and soybean oil. They've just been dried out, dehydrated. And I did have a little bit of rice left, so I'm getting some rice going there. And I also have some ground beef in the fridge, so I'm gonna get the ground beef browned up and seasoned and do some sort of bean and rice. And I do have cheese and yeah, do some sort of jumbo burrito thing. So we'll see what it turns into. Okay, we're moving right along. I've got the rice cooked up and the ground beef. I'm gonna get these refried beans going, these instant refried beans. Haven't tried these before. The directions are for doing the whole bag. So I'm just gonna kind of shook it up a little bit, and I'm just gonna add a little bit, partial, and just kind of add water. Just added some water there. Let that heat up, see if they thicken up. If not, I can add a little bit more beans. Okay, I think things are coming together here. I got my tortilla heated up here. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of everything. I've got this salad mix stuff here I'm gonna use for veggies. And I'm gonna be using meal sauce. Oh yeah, there it is. Let's see if I can roll that up. The roll technique. The fold on the bottom. Oh, it's a fatty. There we are. Okay, here we go. See how these dehydrated refried beans are. Dang. I got enough leftovers to make a couple more of these. Nice. Okay, we are getting an early start this morning. It's just a little after 6 a.m. and it's a little chilly this morning. I'm showing 14 degrees Fahrenheit. But I am nice and toasty in here. I got 68 degrees Fahrenheit in the van. I'm using my heater. Actually ran it most of the night last night. I shut it off for a couple hours and then it got cold, so I turned it back on. Anyway, I've been a little cryptic about what I've been doing with my travel plans here. I'm going to go try to visit my girlfriend Kelly. She's working a seasonal job, and she's asked that I respect her privacy and security and not really give out her location. So I'm going to be taking off from my camp here and going and visiting her for a few days, and then I'll be back to my normal camping type adventures. So that's what's going on. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I know a lot of people have been asking about where's Kelly, what Kelly is up to, so maybe we'll get her to say hi.
Anyway, the adventure continues.
Okay, well, I went on a little secret mission and came up and visited Kelly at her seasonal job for a couple days. She's going to be working for a little bit, but she'll be back on the road soon, so.
Yep, but for now, I gotta go to work, guys.
Thank you for being here, everyone. We'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.